Hey there! Did you know that you can take the animation which Apple make as part of each Apple event and save it and then use it in a video timeline if you really want to? I'll show you how to do it. Firstly, make sure that you've got your Safari preferences and you have enabled develop mode. Second, you want to right-click on the page and show the page source. When you are looking at the page source, just do a really quick find for USDZ or Z. Now, USDZ is a 3D format which Apple made. It's a standard, it's growing, it's quite good, and it is supported by not just the macOS system, but iOS and by Motion and Final Cut Pro as well. So you can see here we've got the USDZ file link, and there's a bit of extra stuff after the URL here, but you can see there, USDZ. Now, if I click that right here, it loads, and because Safari doesn't know what to do with it, it just downloads. So here we go, Apple event, USDZ. There's one I did earlier. Let's search, here it is. Now I can use quick look, and I can see the animation. I can even spin the animation round live to see this from any angle if I want. Now, you can drag that into Motion. Now, I've already brought it into Motion, so here's another copy of the same thing with the wrong name. But all you do, look in the inspector, 3D object, make sure the unit size is set to custom, because on automatic it's actually really small for some reason. So just set automatic and crank it up. I think I found that 4 works pretty well for this one. Now you could change the orientation. There's just a couple of things you want to do. Firstly, make sure it's in a 3D group, not a 2D group. And you'll want to publish a few things. So just right click, publish, publish, and publish on the properties of the object. And also potentially on the custom unit size there as well. Now, I've already done all of that. And as well as being able to play with this here in Motion, I can do all kinds of things. I could add a camera. I could fly through the animation just by, dollying it forward. And I could do that manually, maybe by animating Z. And I could, you can keyframe or you can use some camera behaviors. So there's a dolly, and obviously you could just add a parameter behavior, something like ramp, to just fly yourself through, maybe, rotate around. There's all kinds of things you can do if you want to. But if you make this a generator, which this one is, and then save it, you'll be able to use it in Final Cut as well. So here's one that I made earlier. I can play this here live in Final Cut. Now, not perfect. Something there is happening. It's a little bit weird, but this is pretty good. And I can still rotate it around because I published those properties, and I can incorporate this with anything else. This will have transparencies in the background. So, if I put something else underneath it, then yeah, this could be video or whatever. It works really nicely. Anytime you've got a USDZ, you can access it in Motion and then publish it for Final Cut. Now, if you want to grab this Apple event animation, you've only got a few days to do it because this disappears and goes down forever as soon as the event has happened. You can grab them each time. You can do this for every Apple event, and it's a bit of fun. Cool. Hope that helps. If you want to learn more about Motion, then check out one of my courses from Mac Pro Video. If you want to know Final Cut, read my book, fcpefficientediting.com. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped. See ya.